So we finally got sick of having this box in our coach for the last 2 months. We bought a Magne Shade and have yet to install it. So now is the time to do it.
We've been a little busy.
Yeah, we've been a little busy, but I think we're getting sick of the air conditioner running in the front of the coach all the time. So hopefully this is gonna help. We've been told this does a great job, and it should, because it was very expensive. I think it was like $1,000. We did the front and the 2 side windows, and we're gonna go ahead and put this together right now. All right, I'm trusting Christy with the knife. I don't usually let her play with knives.
Oh, I'm careful. Taller than me. Aha.
I hope we bought the right things, so they probably won't take it back at this point.
Yeah, it's been a while.
They're actually made right up the road in North Carolina. And they do have a great reputation. And their claim to fame is they have magnets that hold it on, so you don't have any of those snap things that go on the front like a boat. Good job, Christy.
There we go. Yeah.
Yeah, that's like about 5 foot tall.
Yeah.
Just like Christy.
5'2".
5'2". 5'2" on a good day.
On a good day.
All right, what do we got here?
And I should probably cut that also, but let's see.
What are we cutting?
The top. Plastic. It's upside down.
I think we're good.
I think we're good too.
Yeah, don't have a knife anywhere near the $1,000 Magne Shade.
The first step is to take 50% alcohol and 50% water and mix that up. And take your rag, like so. Squeeze it out. Don't make a mess like I am. Then you will take your rag and you will clean around the edges and the corners where the magnets will go.
So we're going to start with the front shade, which seems to be the easiest. And there's 2 types of magnets. There are these guys that are relatively small, and then 2 big ones that go in the top left and right corners. So we're going to place all the small ones first, and Garrett's going to go on the outside and hold up the shade, while Christy puts these on in the places where the magnets are already installed in the shade. So this will actually go pretty fast. They do recommend that you could put this on a cookie sheet, but we're going to pull these off like Nico wafers and get it done really fast. But these are super strong. I can feel them pulling to each other this far away. It's amazing. So be very careful with these magnets. Pull them off one at a time and get them on where they belong. And when we pull these off, the adhesive side will be against the window, but we're not going to pull the adhesive yet. We're going to get everything in place before we then go back and pull the adhesives one by one. So the next step is to put on the driver's and passenger side Magne Shades. And these are a little different because the magnets themselves have to be installed on the outside of the window instead of the inside of the windshield like we did for the windshield. So what they do is they give you these little 1/8" magnets, and they slide on each piece here. You see that thing you just ripped out of my hand? And all you gotta do is put them on like that. Don't cut your finger. And take some isopropyl alcohol and wipe them off so they're nice and clean. The reason you're doing that is we're going to put some VHB tape on them.
Make sure that you push the pocket magnet as close to the edge as possible This ensures a tight fit around the edges.
All right, Christy, what'd you think of those?
It was easy. I'm glad we bought it.
Yeah, they weren't too bad to put on.
Not at all.
They're still a little wrinkly, but we're hoping in the next day or two they're gonna fall out nicely.
Yeah.
We still have to disconnect or pull the tape on the internal magnets, but we're gonna wait till everything's just kind of settled and we're happy with how things are set up. But yeah, that was pretty easy.
Yeah. I would do it again.
Yeah, I would recommend it.
Yeah,
I would recommend it.
Absolutely.
All right, are we done?
We're done.
Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification, and we will see you next week.
See you. Bye.
Bye.